Looking to do a clean install of Windows 11 on a new PC or wipe your current one for a fresh start? Here's how to download the latest Windows 11 ISO directly from Microsoft servers, create a bootable USB drive, and perform a clean installation from scratch. Before you begin, the first thing you need to do is check if your device meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft has set stricter hardware standards for this version, so compatibility is important. As per Microsoft official, the minimum system requirements for Windows 11 include a 1 GHz or faster processor with 2 or more cores, 4 GB of RAM, a 64 GB storage device, UEFI firmware with secure boot, TPM 2.0, a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card, and a high-definition 720p display greater than 9 inches. To quickly find out whether your current device meets these requirements, you can download and run Microsoft's PC Health Check tool. It provides a simple compatibility check and will clearly tell you if your system is eligible for Windows 11. Once you've confirmed that your device meets the requirements, the next step is to get the official Windows 11 installation file. Microsoft provides the ISO file directly from its website, so there's no need to look elsewhere. Go to the official Microsoft download page, scroll down to the section titled Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Download, then choose your preferred language. Once selected, the site will generate a download link for a 64-bit ISO file. Click it to start downloading. The ISO file size around 5.4 GB. Take time to complete the download depending on your internet speed. When you are ready with Windows 11 ISO, the next step is to make it bootable so you can use it to install Windows on your device. You'll need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space, and all data on it will be erased. So back up anything important before proceeding. You can create the bootable USB using one of two methods, Rufus or Microsoft's media creation tool. Download Rufus from the official site and run it. Under Device, choose your USB drive. Under Boot Selection, click Select and locate the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Leave other options at default and click Start. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB will be destroyed. Click OK to continue. Wait until the process is complete. You'll have a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. Well, if you prefer something simpler or don't want to deal with ISO files directly, use Microsoft's media creation tool to create a Windows 11 installation media. Download and run the tool from Microsoft download page. Accept the license terms, then choose Language and Edition. Select USB flash drive, insert your USB, and follow the on-screen steps. The tool will automatically download Windows 11 and create the bootable installer. Once you've created your bootable USB drive, it's time to install Windows 11. Insert the USB drive into the PC, restart the computer, and immediately press the DEL key to enter BIOS or boot menu. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save and exit. Your PC will reboot and start from the USB. If prompted, press any key to boot from it. You'll see the Windows 11 installer load up. Choose your language, time, and keyboard layout, then click Next and Install Now. If asked for a product key, enter it if you have one. Otherwise, click I don't have a product key to continue. You can activate Windows later. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an edition of Windows 11 to install. This includes options like Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Professional, and potentially others depending on your specific circumstances. Select one and click on Next. Now you'll see a list of your drives and partitions. If you're doing a true clean install, select each existing partition and click Delete. Once all space is unallocated, select it and click Create Partition. Windows will now install. The process will take several minutes, and your system may restart multiple times. When it's done, you'll go through the setup screens, region, keyboard layout, Wi-Fi, account sign-in, privacy settings, and personalization. Once that's finished, you land on a fresh Windows 11 desktop, clean install complete. I hope you find this video helpful. Share your feedback on comments. Thanks for watching.